Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Amanda. Welcome. I do a bunch of like mommy videos and cooking, cleaning, basically anything that has to do with being a mom and just trying to survive everyday life as a mom. Now, today is a day where I just spent literally the whole day at the rink. So I have my home chef delivery that just came in the other day. I ordered the meals that I needed to make because I knew we were gonna have a busy weekend. So I ordered the meals and now I have them ready. Well, they're not quite ready yet, but they are in my fridge and I just have to assemble them and put them together. So today I'm gonna be doing a cook and clean with me. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to be making from Home Chef, and I'm gonna be doing the cleanup afterwards. Thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring this video. This meal service was honestly a lifesaver tonight. After our long, busy day at the rink, the kids are starving and so am I, so I'm gonna get started with preparing our meal. Now, I just put that whole box in my fridge downstairs and it stayed cold. Actually, the ice packs are still cold from the delivery 2 days ago, which is super awesome. And everything in this box was so fresh. It was fresh, like probably even more fresh than I would have gotten it from the grocery store. Honestly, I was really impressed. You guys have to go over to Home Chef's website and check out the variety of delicious meals they have there. Honestly, there are so many. And if you click the link down below in my description box, it'll take you right to their website and you will automatically get $30 off of your first order. So this first meal was steak strip chimichangas, and honestly, you guys, these turned out dynamite. Like, my husband was raving about them. The kids love them. They were so tasty and they were so easy to make. I actually ordered 2 meals. This one is honey mustard chicken salad sandwiches, and we are actually going to have that tomorrow because we have another somewhat busy day tomorrow. So those will be perfect for our lunch tomorrow. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that Home Chef has great portion sizes. I really wasn't sure what to expect when I placed my first order. We do have big eaters in our house with 5 guys in the house. We got my hubby and my 4 boys. We tend to go through a lot of food and there are never any leftovers really. So I wasn't quite sure how it was going to work out with not being able to decide how much I'm making. But there was more than enough. Honestly, it was so good. The food tasted great and there was plenty of food to go around. I was just trying to give you guys a little close-up of the red peppers there because honestly, those were the crispiest and freshest red peppers that I have seen. Lately in the grocery store, when I've been buying produce, especially peppers, they will be like soft and like almost soggy, and I'm like, really? Why? Like, I just want fresh vegetables. And I am so impressed that a meal service that came in a box has vegetables that are fresher than the grocery store. I can't tell you guys how happy I am to have this meal kit tonight because it took all of the thinking and the legwork out of preparing a home-cooked meal. Sometimes after an exhausting day, like, my brain is just completely fried and I cannot think anymore, and then right away the first thing that I think is like, oh, just grab a couple of pizzas. So this is so great because you are not just grabbing some quick fast food. You've got this all in your fridge. It is ready to go. It's laid out for you. All you got to do is assemble it and you have an amazing meal for home. Alright, so while the chimichangas are baking in the oven, I'm just going to get started with a little bit of the cleanup here. I'm just going to put away some of the stuff that I used to prepare them,
and that way it'll just give me a little head start on the after cleanup. For my countertops, I'm just going to be using my Caldrea Rose Water Driftwood Spray. Now, I was using the Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli Spray for my countertops, and it smells amazing. Now, the Rosewater Driftwood smells really nice also, but I do think my favorite is still the Sea Salt Neroli. Alright, so I just baked the chimichangas long enough to get them all toasty on the outside. Now they are ready, so I'm going to go call the kids and get everybody down to the kitchen island for some dinner. Today's been really hectic. We've had friends in and out of the house ever since we got home from hockey, including the neighbors and whatnot. So tonight's dinner is really informal. I just have the chimichangas on the sheet pan here, ready for whenever they're ready to eat. So I've got my other little guy upstairs with a buddy, so I'm not really going to be worried about calling everybody down to eat all at once. I'll just kind of let them eat whenever they are ready. Tonight's after dinner cleanup really isn't that bad. I've only got a few dishes and a few dishes from the prep work that I have to get cleaned up. So right now I'm just going to unload the dishwasher because I do have some clean dishes in there, and I'm going to clear the plates from any food that got left on them and put those in the kitchen sink. Our kitchen literally never closes. The second somebody finishes eating, somebody else is coming down looking for a snack. So Chandon came downstairs looking for an apple because he really loves to eat apples. So of course there's some apples in the corner over there. He came down and he grabbed one for a little bit of dessert.
too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to touch up.
I do have a little bit left over because my oldest boy decided to sleep out tonight at his friend's house. So I am going to set this aside so he can have that tomorrow for lunch before his game.
How come I feel we're under attack? Like they're trying to pull us back. We're the only ones who really know which way to go. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now.
Tomorrow is another really busy day for us, so I am so happy that tonight was really productive. I made a delicious healthy meal for my hubby and the kids, and I am going to bed with a clean kitchen because there is nothing worse than getting up in the morning to a messy kitchen when you have to rush out the door.
If I can't take another go round.
I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me for my cook and clean with me and spending the evening with me. If you guys are interested in trying out Home Chef, I highly recommend it. Go ahead and use that link in my description box down below because that link will give you an automatic $30 off of your first order. Take care, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!